Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollarz. Today I'm going to be playing in my Tiny Tuesday binder, doing some tiny little savings challenges. So before we get into the video, I do have some Happy Meal here that I want to share with y'all. So let's do that first. If you want to skip ahead, you can go ahead and skip ahead to the little tiny challenges, but all right, so let's start with this. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This was her August mystery bundle that I ordered from her. So I'm super excited for this. This is my first time ordering one of Lindsay's mystery bundles, so super exciting. Okay, so we have this cute little paper clip here. This one says, Courtney, thank you so much for your order. Your support of my small business means so much. XO Lindsay. Okay. Oh, cute. September, fall is in the air and things are getting a little spooky and super cute. Yes, I'm so excited for fall. That is adorable. Okay, and we have this cute little die cut. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. This little capybara on the planet. Adorable. And I don't know how much this saves, so it'll be a fun little mystery save. Okay, and then we have this one. What are these? Are these penguins? Wait. I can't tell what those are. Am I just not seeing things clearly? Someone tell me in the comment, what are these? Because I can't decipher. Oh wait, they're cats. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know why I saw like a sea creature or like a flying bird, but I was like, why does it have arms and not wings? Okay, anyways, okay, and cute. Look at the background. Okay, so this one is a little save 25, adorable. Okay, then we have this roll and save, cute, with all the little signs. I don't really know much about astrology, but I do know that I'm a Cancer. So someone tell me in the comments, like, what does that mean? Because I don't really know. Oh, that's cute on the back there. Okay, then we have the sun and the moon and the stars. Oh my gosh, what is this? Look at this cute little bag too that it came in. Oh my goodness. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to order another one of these mystery bundles from her shop because these are so cute. What? Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, what is this? These are just little scratch off cards. Oh my gosh. I love these colors. I am loving these colors. Look at these. Okay. Cute. Look at all these cute images. Oh my goodness. These are adorable. And all of them, of course, have this adorable design on the background. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, Lindsay. These are adorable. Okay, so we'll add this to my scratch and save binder, and these, actually all of these. All of these are going in my scratch and save binder. Lindsay's gonna get her whole own little envelope for forever until we get through those. And then an extra little freebie gift. Oh my word. Thanks for your order. Her little business card, so go check her out. Bookish Mama Budgets on YouTube, Ko-fi, Etsy, and TikTok. So literally everywhere. All right, this one is a scratch, roll, and save. Oh my gosh. Okay. Lots to do with this one. Cute. Oh my goodness. Look at these little frogs in their astronaut costumes. So cute. Okay, guys, I really think something is wrong with me right now because I have not been myself, and like, why does like looking at these cute little frogs like make me want to cry? Like, anyways, I don't know what's going on. Okay, and then this is another little Happy Mail from Lindsay that I did peek in because I wasn't expecting it, and I thought it was, honestly, I thought it was her August mystery bundle, which I had ordered, but this is just extra little freebies, I think, that she sent me. It looks like things that she's gathered from like other people, maybe challenges that she's used and then like restickered or didn't, or got doubles of or something. I'm not sure. But we have this cute little scratch off from Budgeting in a Fairy Tale. And so it looks like when you find these animals, you save those amounts. So that's very cute. And then we have this one from Lindsay, which is a Save 30 scratch off. These cute little turtles. This one is also a Save 30, and this one a Save 40. And I did go through this, guys, because I was confused. I was like, what? I don't know what this is. So that's my best guess, is that she just sent me some freebies. Because I know, like, Amanda from Budget with Amanda does that. Like, she'll just pass along challenges that she has extra of, or ones that she printed out but she can't get to for some reason. So that makes sense to me. But this one is from Savings with Tracy, and then we have Budgeting in a Fairy Tale again. Cute little books. This one is Savings with Tracy. I've seen this on someone else's channel, I think. But it says, wish I could just drop my body off at the gym and have them call me when it's ready to be picked up. Yes, kind of. Although these past few days I've had Aria and I have missed going to the gym because, like, mentally, like, I just need to, like, you know. So I'm just here for the barbecue. Okay, this one is also Savings with Tracy. All right, then we have this by Kingdom Planning with this little, what is this, a chameleon or a gecko? And some cute little stickers in there. And then we have these minis, which I'll add to my mini Monday. Go Away. I'm Reading by Budgeting in a Fairy Tale. This one is also another reading one by Budgeting in a Fairy Tale. Peace, Love, and Books. And my cat is my yoga partner. This is cute. All right. So fun challenges there for me to dig into. Okay, and then we have this one. Oh, look at this tiny little paper clip. Okay, so this is my first pen pal mail. I'm so excited. I wasn't expecting to get this because I joined this group of ladies, but I said, you know, I can't, the timing for me was off because I was like, I can't really send anything out by September because for one thing, I'm working on my Boo Box, and I sent out my, like, Ko-fi membership mailing. So between those two things, I was like, I just can't, I don't have the capacity to do September, but I could join for October. So I wasn't expecting anyone to send me anything, but Greta at Agape Book Club sent me this. So this one says, Dear Pen Pal, September is a month of gratitude. This group is so sweet and kind. I want you to know that you are so appreciated, Greta. And this says, the sun hangs low, the air is cool, a hazy mist begins to rise, September fades, a gentle rule as autumn softly fills the skies. Ah, I love it. It's so pretty. I love autumn. I'm so excited for fall, y'all. Okay, then we have a Save 40 here, a little mini challenge. Awesome. And I believe, she didn't say, but I think you can get these challenges on her Ko-fi. So go check her out, Greta at Agape Book Club. Thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so thankful to be included in this month, even though I didn't send anything out. Oh my gosh. We had this little cat and this fox. Beautiful. Oh, I love these, like, little wood background there. That's cute. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so that's all my Happy Mail. Now let's get into my tinies. So I have one tiny left from last week, and I have several here that I've cut out, and we are going to roll. I just love this little ghosty. We're gonna roll and see which challenge joins us in the lineup. So the way I do this to keep it fair and to keep me moving through different people is I roll a D8 and I go person by person. So this is the same person. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's 4. Teach your mom budgets. Okay, let's grab this little fox guy. He's cute. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have Budgeting with Lisandra. 1 and 2. We have the Cafecito budget. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, yay. I've been wanting to do one of these. We have Greta from Agape Book Club. Let's do this one. This one's cute. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one from Lindsay at Bookish Model Budgets. Wow. Okay. So fun. Look at our beautiful lineup now. Okay, so the deal is, if we do a whatever blackout of all these challenges, then we're gonna pay an extra, let's see, what have I said, an extra 30? That seems a lot, but because it probably won't happen, but let's just determine. Okay, this one we're gonna do $2 per thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do $1 here. This one is already predetermined. Let's do 2 for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 2 for this. Okay, I want it to at least save, I don't know, 6 seems too little, 16 seems too much. So anyways, that's how I kind of think through it. And let's say that I'm only allowed to use $3 from my secret stash, okay? Because I do have my secret stash money over here, don't tell anyone. And I have, I think, $15 to $20 here left to add to whatever challenges I want throughout the week. So let's say that I can't use more than $3 to finish these, okay? All right, so I don't even know how much money I have, guys. I have 5, a buyback 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wait, what? 25? I guess 25 total dollars. That is a lot less than I usually play with, which I guess makes sense. It was the end of the month when I budgeted, so I guess I didn't have quite as much left over, but that's okay. All right, so we're gonna roll, and whatever the dice says is the challenge that gets 2 bills. And once we have 5, then we'll do a little buyback 5. All right, so I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I hope you guys had a fun day yesterday if you were off for Labor Day. I'm currently filming on Labor Day. It is the evening. Aria is taking her bath. It's been a long weekend, honestly, and today was a good day, but I just am struggling being a single mom right now, so it was hard, but good. We ended up having a good day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write this one back. So we went to where did we go? Oh, we went to Five Below because she had $6 that she wanted to spend. So she got some fake handcuffs. And what else did she get? Oh, like a little squishy ball with her $6. And then we went to Chick-fil-A for lunch so that she could play in the playhouse, or the playhouse, the play place. It's like one of my favorite things to do because it's an easy, like, she gets to play, she's happy, you know, we're eating yummy food from Chick-fil-A, and then I get to like sit there and take a breather, you know, and like I'm not at home, so I'm not like focused on all the things that I have to do at home, which is a lot. Honestly, it's occupying a lot of my brain space these days because everywhere I look there's like my boo box stuff here and my Etsy orders here and like my just normal house chores that I need to do. So between all those things, it's like if I'm at the house, I'm always doing something. So I'm forced to just sit when I go to Chick-fil-A and I can't do anything. So I brought my headphones and I was watching some YouTube videos and chatting with Aria when she came back to the table to eat her food and stuff. So it was a good time. All right, so this challenge is by Plan to Save Designs. We have $3, so we're gonna fill in this right there. And it doesn't look promising, guys, for finishing this challenge today. I guess if we have an insane amount of leftover money, but I doubt it. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I don't know what that is. Okay. So Chick-fil-A, always a great time. I got the Southwest chicken salad with avocado ranch, but I get it with the nuggets, so it's not really that healthy. Okay, with this challenge we have 4, so we can do 2 and 4 right there. This one is by Teacher Mom Budgets. All right, then we have budgeting with Lisandra. We have 4 here, so each one of these is 1. Okay. There we go. Then we have the Cafecito budget. We have 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're gonna go 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Oh, Aria is taking cheer. She's doing cheer. Speaking of, Aria's doing cheer club this year after school. With this challenge from Greta, we got 1, 2, and 3. So each of these is 2. So anyways, she's taking like cheer camp and she's loving it so far. She showed me a little cheer that she was learning the other day, and she's just so cute when she does it. I never did cheer when I was in high school. I was kind of like a tomboy-ish, not a girly girl, really. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm definitely way more girly now than I ever was growing up. And so yeah, I played soccer and I tried playing basketball one year, but that did not go well. Literally my first game, 4. My first game ever that I played in basketball, someone passed me the ball and I literally started just carrying it and running towards, I freaked out, okay? I freaked out and I didn't know what to do. So I was not a basketball person, but soccer was my jam. It was fun. Even still now, like I love soccer, and I joined like a women's soccer league last year, but I was doing school, and so I just didn't have the time to like dedicate to it, but it was a good idea, and I think it would be fun still. Maybe now that I have more time since I'm not in school anymore, it would still be fun. So what about you guys? What sports did y'all play in high school? Did anyone do cheer? Did anyone do soccer? Let me know in the comments. And that is it for this video, guys. So I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. Come back tomorrow. We're going to be doing our scratch and save binder, and hopefully get to some of these new challenges that I got today in my Happy Meal. So that'll be fun. And I will see you then. Bye.